Hey guys, this is Mike with Old Iron Automotive. Want to wish you a happy new year. It's about a week late. We've been kind of busy out in the shop with unexpected maintenance issues. You always get those. We got a lot of stuff coming for 2021. Some of our goals are we're planning on hosting a car show. Now with COVID and everything going on with that, we really don't know where that's going. And now with all this mess with the elections and stuff like that, and that thing, we've kind of stepped back from that for a couple weeks. I hope to get on it by the end of the month and get that set up for midsummer, fall is what we're looking at. We're working on our branding. We'll have t-shirts, hats, maybe stickers, stuff like that. If you guys want them, great, man. We'll have them at shows that we're at, stuff like that. It'll help support the channel. Content on the channel, our goal is at least one video a week. I'd like to do two, sometimes it'll be two, sometimes it'll be one. We've got a lot of different projects going on and we're going in about 20 different directions at the same time. I've got to finish this. This is going to be at the Redneck Rumble, Do or Die. If I got to take it out on a trailer with no wheels, it's going to be at the Redneck Rumble Spring, Do or Die. It's getting close. I got to get in primer and then get it painted. All the mechanicals are done. For the most part, I got to put this gas tank back in, change out the tires, wheels, stuff like that. But really nothing major except time. Time and elbow. Got to finish stripping it down just a little bit. I got this back panel a little bit on the roof. It'll be ready for body work and then epoxy and all that good stuff. We'll have content on that. We've got my son's 89 GMC 1500 that we're going to swap the motor out on. I've got a donor truck that we're going to pull the motor out of and go through it and hopefully be doing that next week or two. I'm going to work on a little bit today. We've got maintenance issues with the service truck. We've got to do, we're going to rebuild the front end, check out, probably redo the brakes. Heater core started leaking. We got to take care of that. It's an old truck. Once we get all that done and get this out, we're going to have, we're going to pull the dart in and we're going to start on the dart. Now, we picked up the dart and I originally picked it up to flip. I was just going to clean it up a little bit and stick it out the front and let it be somebody else's project. And my son fell in love with it. So my goal is in the next 5 months, have it ready to give him for graduation. Now, I don't know how realistic that is right now because quite honestly, I have not even fully inspected and gone through this vehicle. Bought it at auction, sight unseen, loaded on the trailer, brought it here. That's it. We got it running. There's a video on it that we got it running. It said for 30 years. Fired right off and the motor sounds good. Especially for sitting for that long, it sounded good. Bearings on the alternator were squealing real bad, but I mean, besides that, the motor itself sounded really good. But we're still going to have to go through it because, I mean, it's going to sit for 30 years. Major interior work. The interior's trashed on it. Needs some body work. So it's going to be an in-depth project, and I want to do it right. So the end of May is really going to be pushing it. I'll have to get some help in here to get it done. That's all there is to it. Once we get it done, after he graduates, we're hitting Route 66, and we'll have all that content for you. In between now and the rest of the year, we'll also be hitting every car show, swap meet that we can get our hands on. We'll have content of those. We picked up a drone. We're still trying to figure out how to fly this drone. Last thing I want to do is take it to a car show and have it fly into somebody's car. We'll also have a few product reviews. It's going to be stuff that I've found, products I've tried that I've picked up at car shows or stuff like that. We are not a sponsored channel. I have no affiliates. God, I wish I did. You know, I'd like to be like some of these shows, you know. Look, Edelbrock gave me this brand new 600 horsepower motor to drop in this car for free. But we don't have that. So, I mean, just products that I've tried that I really like that you might not see out there all the time. We're going to do reviews on them. And yes, when I do the reviews, I'll probably have a link on the bottom for that product. I mean, it just makes sense. I'm not going to flood the channel with product reviews. It's not about that. I'm picking up a new spray gun. When I get the spray gun, we'll probably do a product review. That way you guys know whether it's a POS or something that you really want. let me buy it, let me make the mistakes, and I'll give you my honest opinion. Like I said, we're not sponsored, so I mean, if I paid for it and it don't work, you're gonna know. And same with if it's a good deal. But that's about it. Expect more content. Please like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff because it helps the channel. I'm gonna get to work and try to get some more content out to you guys. I hope you enjoy. And once again, Happy New Year. I hope all your dreams for 2021 come true. We'll see you soon, guys. Thanks. A lot of little maintenance and stuff that we'll probably record. I'm an idiot. We are actually hoping to host a car show this year. It just kind of depends. Really? You are fine. Hang on.